going on a holiday to meet the sun and dodge the rain. Let's hope the weather stays nice. I've got a swimsuit in my bag, factor 15 in my hand. Let's hope the weather stays nice. The summer songs are playing in my ears, putting me in a good mood, 'cause I haven't been away for a long, long time. So needless to say, I'm slightly excited. Heading down to the sea, we stumbled across an empty beach. The sand was golden, the water was blue. It couldn't get better than this. And we said that this would be ours. And we said that this would be ours until the end of summer. Summer. The end of summer. Summer. When the sun goes out of sight, then we'll know that it's time. When the sun goes out of sight, then we'll know that it's time to go home till next summer. Till next summer. Until the end of summer. Summer. The end of summer. Summer. When the sun goes out of sight, then we'll know that it's time. When the sun goes